Medical Ventilator Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global medical ventilator market size will be $1,952.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 9.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America medical ventilator market size of $780.8 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe medical ventilator market size of $585.66 million. Asia Pacific medical ventilator market size of $449.0 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 11.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America medical ventilator market size of $97.61 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa medical ventilator market size of $39.04 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 9.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.